Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In our today's class, in this video, for the students of Standard 6, we are going to continue with chapter 10 of our English grammar, the continuous tenses. In our previous video, on the same chapter from the continuous tenses, we understood the present continuous tense. We understood the present continuous tense with its sentence structures, how to write affirmative sentences in the present continuous tense in negative and interrogative sentences both. And in today's video, we are going to understand the past continuous tense from the continuous tenses. We have already understood the use of verb forms in continuous tenses like to be verbs plus before is continuous tenses. So in the present continuous tense, we understood that in place of to be verbs, we use is, am, and are. Is, am, are plus before equals to present continuous tense. Okay. And in past continuous tense, which to be verbs do we use? We have to understand here in this video, and we will also understand the sentence structures, how to frame sentences in past continuous tense in affirmative sense, in affirmative form, and how to change those sentences into negative as well as interrogative sentences. So first of all, we will see what does the past continuous tense tell us about. The past continuous tense tells us about an action that was taking place at the time of speaking in the past. So past continuous tense हमें किस तरीके का काम को बताते हैं, किस तरीके के काम को हम past continuous tense में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? वो सारे काम जो बीते हुए समय में जब हम उसके बारे में बोलते हैं तो वो हो रहा होता है. At the time of speaking, if the action was going on, that kind of actions are expressed in past continuous tense. बीता हुआ समय में काम हुआ है, लेकिन जब भी हम उस काम के बारे में बयां करते हैं तो हम इस तरीके से बयां करते हैं कि उस समय, जिस समय हम उस काम के बारे में बताते हैं तो उस समय वो काम हो रहा होता है. Understood? So those actions that were taking place at the time of speaking in the past, so those actions are expressed in past continuous tense. And the sentence structure, the sentence structures in affirmative form in past continuous tense is subject plus, in place of to be verbs we use was or were. Was is used with singular subject, singular subjects, and were is used with plural subjects. Like in present continuous tense, we had understood that is used with singular subject, and am is used when the subject is I, and are is used with plural subjects. Okay. In past continuous tense, these is and am are changed into was, and are is changed into were. Okay. So was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subject. And after was and were, we have to use again before, okay, ing form of the verb, or we also say the present participle form of the verb, okay, and after that rest of the sentence. Okay, so at first, before understanding by framing sentences in past continuous tense, we will understand point wise that we have already understood that the action taking place at the time of speaking in the past is expressed in past continuous tense, but we have to understand what kind of actions taking place at the time of speaking in the past. So these actions we have to understand point wise. So at first we will understand the uses of the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used when to describe an unfinished action that was interrupted by another event or action. Okay, so अगर हमें दो कामों को बयां करना है, ओके, जैसे एक काम फिनिश हुआ है, उस काम से पहले दूसरा काम हुआ है, लेकिन पिछले वाला काम होने से पहले वो काम हो रहा था. दैट मीन्स द एक्शन वॉज गोइंग ऑन. एक काम का होने से पहले दूसरा काम जो हो रहा था, ऐसे कामों को बयां करने के लिए भी हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. टू डिस्क्राइब एन अनफिनिश्ड एक्शन, जो काम चल ही रहा था, कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था, फिनिश नहीं हुआ था दूसरा काम होने से पहले. दैट मीन्स दूसरा काम होने से पहले वो पहला काम हो रहा था. दैट मीन्स टू एक्शंस वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस. वन एक्शंस दैट टेक्स फर्स्ट which was unfinished, and another action that takes place at the later part of the sentence. Okay, so here we have to understand the order of tenses. Order of tenses. So here we have to understand past continuous tense is mostly followed by the simple पास्ट टेंस. सो जब भी हम दो कामों को बयां करते हैं, अगर पहला वाला काम कंटिन्यू हो रहा हो तो उस कामों को हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. तो जब हम दो कामों को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, तो अगर हम पहले काम को पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस पे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, तो दूसरा काम जो उसके बाद हुआ था, तो उस सेकंड एक्शन को हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. इसका मतलब ये है कि पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को हमेशा सिंपल पास्ट टेंस फॉलो करते हैं ज्यादातर. ओके, लाइक हियर, आई वॉज वॉचिंग टेलीविजन व्हेन यू कॉल्ड. सो यू कॉल्ड, सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2, दिस इज सिंपल पास्ट. एंड आई वॉज वॉचिंग, मैं देख रहा था. दैट मीन्स उस समय मैं क्या कर रहा था, देख रहा था क्या, टेलीविजन, जब तुमने मुझे बुलाया, तुमने बुलाया. सो दिस इज सिंपल पास्ट एंड द फर्स्ट एक्शन इज इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. आई वॉज मेकिंग माई प्रेजेंटेशन, मैं अपना प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहा था, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने का काम फिनिश नहीं हुआ था. ओके, व्हेन द कंप्यूटर वेंट ऑफ, द कंप्यूटर वेंट ऑफ, सिंपल पास्ट. कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट, कंप्यूटर इज सब्जेक्ट हियर, द कंप्यूटर इज सब्जेक्ट हियर, went V2, this is simple past. That means past continuous is followed by simple past. Understood? Now another action, to describe two actions that are happening at the same time in the past. अगर दो काम एक ही समय में हो रहा होता है बीते हुआ समय में, अगर हमें ऐसे कामों को बयां करना है जो साथ साथ में हो रहा था, कंटिन्यू हो रहा था, जब भी हम उसके बारे में बोलते हैं, तो ऐसे कामों को भी हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. लाइक, while my mother was cooking, I was watching television. Okay, so was cooking, was watching, be verbs plus before, be verb plus before. Okay, watching is the before form of the verb watch. Okay, watch is B1, watching is B4, present participle form of the verb. Understood? So that means जिस दौरान मम्मी कुछ पका रही थी, तो उस समय मैं क्या कर रहा था, टीवी देख रहा था. दैट मीन्स मम्मी का काम भी कंटिन्यू था और मेरा काम भी कंटिन्यू था. मम्मी का पकाने का काम भी कंटिन्यू था और मेरा टीवी देखने का काम भी कंटिन्यू था. अंडरस्टूड? वाइल माया वॉज रीडिंग, रजत वॉज वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स. दैट मीन्स टू एक्शंस हैव बीन टेकन प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली एट द सेम टाइम. दो काम एक ही समय में हुआ है और दो काम एक ही समय में हो रहा था. जब माया क्या कर रही थी, पढ़ रही थी, तो रजत क्या कर रहा था, पौधों में पानी डाल रहा था. दैट मीन्स पढ़ने का काम और पानी डालने का काम लगातार हो रहा था. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ अनदर इज to describe the introductory scene for a story written in the past tense. That means जब भी हम कोई कहानी को बताते हैं, कहानी का बैकग्राउंड, जैसे that the picture is going on in the form of images. जैसे मूवी देख रहे हैं, जैसे मूवी में कहानी बताया जा रहा है, स्क्रीन में इमेजेस प्ले हो रहा है और उस स्क्रीन में कहानी बताया जा रहा है. तो इस तरीके के कहानी को भी हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बताएंगे. लाइक द सन वॉज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. ओके, सूरज मतलब जोर से चमका हुआ था. द बर्ड्स वेर चर्पिंग ऑन द ट्रीज. चिड़िया क्या कर रहा था, चहक रहा था. द गर्ल वॉज गोइंग बैक टू हर होम. लड़की क्या कर रही थी, अपने घर पे वापस जा रही थी. इस तरीके से कहानी को भी जब भी हम बैकग्राउंड में, मूवीज के बैकग्राउंड में, स्क्रीन के बैकग्राउंड में हम कहानी को बताते हैं, तो वो कहानी को भी हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बताते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. दीज आर द थ्री मेन एक्शंस दैट आर एक्सप्रेस्ड इन past continuous tense. Now we will understand the structure. Structure we have already understood, that subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb before, okay, and rest of the sentence. This is affirmative, positive sentence in the past continuous tense. Okay. Now to be verbs are used as helping verb here. Okay, to be verbs are used as helping verb here. So we were sleeping in the afternoon. Okay, we were sleeping in the afternoon. Subject is plural, so were, be verb. Were is used with plural subject. Sleeping, before of the verb sleep. In the afternoon, rest of the sentence. Okay, she was watching television. She, singular subject. Was is used with singular subject. So here was is used with singular subject she. Watching is the before form of the verb watch. The children were playing in the garden. So see here, the children, plural subject, and were is used with plural subject plus before. Playing is before form of the verb play. In the garden, rest of the sentence. Understood. Now we will also understand how to write negative sentences in the past continuous tense. So as I have already told you, and we have already practiced lots of sentences in other tenses, whatever we have finished in our previous videos, in our previous classes, that we have already understood that negative sentences means the sentences with no or not. So here we have to use no or not after the helping verb. Helping verb is was or were. So we have to use, see, subject plus was or were plus not plus again before and rest of the sentence is the negative sentence in the present, in the past continuous tense. Understood. Now see here, we will try to change this sentence, and that's the first these three sentences into negative sentences in past continuous tense. We were sleeping in the afternoon. Now if you write not after the helping verb and before the main verb, it will become the sentences will become the negative sentence. Okay, in negative form. That means we were not sleeping. We were not sleeping in the afternoon. We were not sleeping in the afternoon. This is not sleeping in the afternoon. Now see here, this is negative sentence in past continuous tense. Now she was not watching television. She was not watching television. This sentence is in negative form, but it is also in the past continuous tense. Okay. Now, when you change these sentences into interrogative, again we have to understand, if you want to understand the structure of sentences in interrogative sentences in past continuous tense, as we already know that when we frame interrogative sentences by using helping verbs, that subject of the sentences come in between the helping verb and the main verb. Okay, so here we have helping verbs was and were and main verbs before. Okay, and the subject comes between the helping verb and the main verb. Okay, so now again we will see the same sentences, we will frame the same sentences. Like here we have, we were not sleeping in the afternoon. This is negative sentence. Now the main sentence is we were sleeping in the afternoon. Now what is the helping verb? Were. Now see here, were. What is the subject? We. What is the main verb? Sleeping in the afternoon. Were we sleeping in the afternoon? This is interrogative sentence. What we can say is, this is interrogative sentence in positive form. Okay. Now again we can rewrite this sentence in interrogative form in also again in negative form also. Like, were we not sleeping? Were we sleeping in the afternoon? This is interrogative sentence in positive form. Were we not sleeping in the afternoon? This is interrogative sentence in negative form. Like, she was watching television. This is affirmative sentence in past continuous tense. Now change this sentence into interrogative. What is helping verb? Was. What is the subject? She. What is the before form of the verb? Watching. Now see, was. Helping verb, subject she. Main verb watching. Was she watching television? This is interrogative sentence in positive form with helping verb. Okay. Now we can again rewrite this sentence in negative form. Was she not? So that means not should be written between the before the main verb. Okay, here also before the main verb. See, not. Were we not sleeping? Was she not watching television? This is negative form. Okay. I hope you have understood the explanation of this past continuous tense, and you are now able to frame sentences in past continuous tense, and also able to change those sentences, affirmative sentences in past continuous tense, into negative sentences, interrogative sentences in both negative and positive form. So if still any kind of doubts you have, kindly raise your questions during the class period. So this much for today's class, my dear students. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much.